discography of albums and hits. For their role as game changers in the industry, wielding their artistry not only to entertain, but to ignite change, capturing the zeitgeist of the 1990s and leaving an indelible imprint on the cultural consciousness of the Filipino people. For building on the achievements of Pinoy rock legends before them, heralding the band explosion of the 1990s and 2000s, and creating a portal through which the music of earlier generations was rediscovered, and the emerging sounds of their peers were embraced by mainstream audiences. For their instrumental role in sparking a renaissance in original Filipino music, leading to a golden age in the 1990s, and continues to influence today's generation of artists and bands. For their deep connection to the University of the Philippines, immortalizing iconic sites like Andorn and the Kasaha in their songs, and creating anthems that resonate with alumni, forever connecting them to the campus and to the university. For articulating the thoughts, emotions, and experiences of the youth of their time, opening a continuing dialogue with successive generations, and embodying the university's values of inclusivity, critical thought, and social consciousness. For bringing honor to the nation by winning the prestigious MTV International Viewers' Choice Award in 1997, and serving as our country's unofficial cultural ambassadors, continuing to regale audiences across the globe with their reunion concerts. And for their enduring excellence as a band, reflecting the university's commitment to promoting national pride and cultural excellence. In recognizing the Eraserheads with the Gala Oblation, the University of the Philippines celebrates their monumental contributions to Filipino music and culture, and their role in shaping the identity and aspirations of countless Filipinos. The university acknowledges their impact in making UP a more vibrant and attractive choice for students, and their ongoing influence in inspiring future generations to pursue creative and intellectual excellence. Given this 20th day of August in the year 2024 in UP Diliman, Quezon City, Philippines. Signed, Angelo A. Jimenez, President.
Thank you very much, Attorney Lara. Please give a warm applause to not just one awardee, but the 4 members of the Eraser: Marcos Adoro, Eli Buendia, Raymond Marasigan, and Buddy. We will call each member on the stage and we will request their family to come. Isa-isa po kasi sabitan po ito. Are you ready for the real name? Let us first call Marcos Antonius Corpus Adoro, also known as Marcos Adoro. May we request the family of Marcos Adoro to please join us for the photo. Excuse na kami for the family of Huwag po kayo maiyak. Much and congratulations, Martino Buendia, also known as Eli Buendia. Alam ko po, everybody wants a picture. call the family of Ellie Padilla. Please join us on stage. Thank you very much, and buen dia, and congratulations. May we now call Raymond Emmanuel Marcon Marasigan, also known as Raymond Marasigan. And may we now call the family of Raymond Marasigan. Lahat na po. Let's go. Congratulations and thank you very much, Raymond Marasigan, and of course his family. May we now call, pamulat po isman, Hector Guazenia Zabala, also known as Buddy Zabala. May we now call the family of Buddy Zabala. Congratulations and thank you very much, Buddy Zabala. May we request Buddy to stay on stage and request Marcus, Ellie, and Raymond to come on stage for a group photo. Group photo po. Sige po ma'am. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, mamaya po marami po tayong photo. All click? Opo, thank you. Pababay na po natin. Sige. Okay, nakakuha na po ba ang lahat? Totoo po ba daw yan, President? Pwede na po ba isanda? Okay. Ulit na po yan. Sit down! Sit down! Ay na! yung ilang manager para bumasama lang sa photo. Pagkatin lang po. Okay, di ba? Ay, ayaw po. Ay, sama daw po. Ay, nakakagat daw. Masyari po timati ng mga nandun sa balcony. Joke lang. One more daw po, pakikagat daw po. Kailangan daw po. Ito po magandang picture eh. Pero sila po lahat first. On the podium. Okay, may we...
In your mind, blow it. Sa apat na sulok ng mga gusali ng institusyong UP, Diliman, namin naranasan ang tunay na kalayaan. Kalayaang pumili, kalayaang maghayag, kalayaang sundin at pakinggan ang sariling hini. Nagpapasalamat kami sa UP Library na nagpatatag ng aming pundasyong intelektual sa UP Sunken Garden para sa mga gabing walang kasing saya sa madidilim na sulok ng Betaway at Lagoon para sa mga gabing punong-puno ng lambing. Sa aming mga guro na bumusog sa aming mga utak. Nagpapasalamat din kami sa mga kaibigan sa dormitoryo. Noong para sa mga alaala noong mga panahong ang tangi naming kayamanan ay ang isa't isa. Malaking bahagi sila sa paghubog ng aming katauhan. Walang humpay kaming papasalamat sa aming mga magulang at pamilya at isang dumadagundong na shout out sa malaking mama sa itaas. Ipagpapatuloy namin ang pagtataguyod at pagsulong ng diwa ng NOIPI. Maraming salamat UP. Mabuhay ang NOIPI.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po sa buong day service. Pwede po bang umakyat po? Diba ba? Akyat po muli sila sa stage. Para muna. Alphabetical order po ha. Ay, di po ba alphabetical? Sino ba susunod po? Raymond. Okay. Raymond. Go, go, go!
Maraming salamat UP sa di namin pinangarap na pagkilala. Nais namin bigyang pugay ang mga sumusunod. Para ito sa aming mga magulang na di man namin nabigyan ng diploma, patuloy pa rin sumuporta. Para sa aming mga anak na sa UP din tumapak, napadpad at lumipad. Para sa aming mga kabiyak at ang kanilang napakahabang pasensya at pag-unawa. Para sa aming mga gabay na nagbukas ng utak at diwa, lalo-lalo na si Dr. Robin Rivera. Isa sa mga unang naniwala at magtulak. Salamat kay Ellie, kay Marcos at kay Buddy para sa mga himig at rock and roll. Kinakabahan ako. Para sa mga nauna, sumabay at nagpapatuloy, walang humpay na pasasalamat at padayon.
Maraming salamat, Raymond. Susunod naman si Bobby.
Alright. English naman. Pero maiksi lang to. Tiniming namin 3 minutes and 40 seconds. I am so honored to be here tonight. Thank you, UP President Angel Jimenez, for this Kawad oblation. I cannot express how grateful I am, to share this momentous occasion with all of you. We wouldn't be here today without the many, many kindred spirits and gentle guides who have shared our journey. Robin Rivera, our humanities professor and longtime studio producer, impressed on 4 adventurous college delinquents the need to question and defend their musical choices. He helped the Eraserheads forge the music that we know and love today. Thank you, Robin. Thank you, BMG Pilipinas, especially Rudy T and Vic Valenciano, who took a risk on us when our music was not uso. Thank you, Club Dread in Timog, for giving our music a stage. Props to Maskipax, UP Fair, and all the fun UP Forex and all those fun nights. Unbeknownst to us, we were creating a community of musicians that remains strong to this day. Thank you, Robbie and Patrick. Many thanks to the many friends we made along the way. Thank you, Superstar Entertainment, Darwin and Kathy Hernandez, for having my back. Thank you. It's more fun together than alone. Thanks to our loving and long-suffering families for standing by us, no matter what. Thank you, Ernest and Vega. Yeah. And finally, thank you, UP Diliman, for being our home away from home. Dito nag-umpisa ang lahat. I came to the university as a 16-year-old from Zamboanga. My world expanded. Exploded. My world exploded. UP has given us many unforgettable experiences, academic and otherwise, countless of which have made their way into our songs. Our experiences in the university inform our storytelling. Thank you, UP, for letting the 4 of us grow and thrive. We are here because of our shared stories. May UP continue to inspire its new students to find their own stories and nurture their creative selves as it did with us. Mabuhay ang UP, this place we call home.
Maraming salamat, Bobby. Ngayon naman po ay si Ellie.
I've always wanted to speak on a podium. That was my chance. Ladies and gentlemen, President Angelo Jimenez, dear friend Francis Lumen, Sir Robin, my bandmates, families and friends, fellow Iskos and Iskas, esteemed faculty and students, magandang gabi. To say that my first UP experience was a rude awakening is an understatement. In 1987, I was still reeling from high school, so I didn't go during the first semester enrollment week. I had no idea what a block was, so I foolishly enrolled a week after. From 7 in the morning until 7 in the evening, I tried to get as many units as possible, lining up, knocking on faculty's doors. At the end of the day, I managed to enlist in only 3 subjects. History 10, Math 3, and Spanish 2 and 3. I was off to a great start. To make matters worse, my Spanish professor was a terror and only spoke Spanish in class, as did my classmates. At the end of the semester, I barely managed to pass history and math. But I was definitely going to get a 5 in Spanish. I begged my professor for a passing grade, and he asked me, "Do you have anything that will make me consider passing you?" "Anything at all." I said, "Well, I can write a song." And so I gave him a demo cassette of Pareco and prayed. Pareco, by the way, was inspired by my friend over there, Rafael Umali. He was heartbroken. So I made a song about him. Thank you. But the day after, my professor in Spanish told me that I passed. This taught me that, for one, my professor can understand Tagalog. And two, that from that point on, music can get me through anything in life. A year later in Kalayaan, I found 3 people who also had my struggles and shared my dream. We are deeply honored and humbled to receive the Gawad Oblation Award from our beloved alma mater, the University of the Philippines, to be recognized by an institution that has shaped not only our minds but also our souls is a profound privilege. UP was where our ideas were born, our dreams were nurtured, and our music found its voice. The university was not just our school, it was our playground, our stage, our motel, no, just kidding, and our testing ground. It was here that we discovered the power of creativity and the freedom of expression that would later define who we are as artists. But above all, UP taught us something more valuable: how to question, how to challenge, how to stand up, and how to speak out. The spirit of social engagement, the pursuit of truth, and the commitment to social responsibility are values we have carried with us throughout our journey. Today, as we stand before you, we are reminded of our roots, of the countless nights spent writing, rehearsing, and dreaming. We are reminded of the friendships that were forged in classrooms and tambayans, of the professors who inspired us to think critically, and the community that believed in our music even before we did. This award is also for every Isko and Iska who dares to dream, who strives to make a difference, and who believes in the power of art and culture to shape society. It is for every artist, musician, and creative soul who uses their talent to express truth, challenge norms, and to inspire change. We hope that in our own way, we have been able to contribute to the legacy of excellence, creativity, and service that UP stands for. I would like to dedicate this award to my family, to Professor, and to share this with Professor Robin Rivera, who inspired us every day while we were students and in the recording studio, and was the genie who made all our creative wishes come true. To the University of the Philippines, thank you for giving us the foundation to create, explore, and to challenge the status quo. Thank you for instilling in us the courage to pursue our passions and the responsibility to use our platform for good. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Universidad ng Pilipinas.
Thank you very much, Eraser. Let's give them a round of applause. Isang mapapagay na po natin sila pinapakaya. Thank you.